able to help your pipes from bursting, but if you're leaking when you cough, laugh, sneeze, or jump, then it can help.
Meet Uresta. It's not a pad, and it's certainly not a plumbing fixture. It is a vaginally inserted bladder support product that will stop your bladder leaks before they even happen, but you don't have to take it out to pee. It's reusable, it's clean, it's easy to use, and it is way better than wearing a damp pad. Check out our website and learn why over 50,000 women are living leak-free with Uresta.